Welcome back to Repair Nut. This video starts off at my local scrapyard. Today we're going to replace the rear sliding glass on an F150. So we're going to look for that rear glass that's intact. We're going to get that removed today. Save ourselves some money on the replacement part. All right, checking out the Ford row here. We got a couple good candidates. Here's a 99 F150. It has the back glass in it still. There's a little bit newer one, which I'll probably go with down here. This silver F150 here. Looks like a 2002 year from what the sticker says. It's also got the back glass, nice and accessible here. So I'm gonna go with trying to get this one out. But as you can see, you can take your pick. It's a good place to come to a scrapyard like this if you need something for these older trucks. Save yourself some money. The other good thing about getting parts from the scrapyard is you can learn how to get it removed properly, and if you break stuff, then it doesn't matter. So that's what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna get this center glass out. And if I break the track in the process, no big deal, but I've learned something for when I do the repair on my own truck. Here we are in the back of this F-150. To get this rear center glass removed, you've got to go ahead and open it up first. And then the window slides obviously in a track. So it's got a track on top and a track on the bottom. This bottom one's a little easier to see here. Well, you've got to get yourself enough wiggle room for this glass to pop out. So what you got to do is you got to pop those tracks out of there. With the tracks removed, it'll give yourself enough wiggle room to slide this glass up into the frame of the windshield and then pull it out of here pretty easily. So here I am on the bottom track here. Get yourself a pick or a little screwdriver, anything to push down in there, and try to pop this out without breaking it if you can. With it out of there, you should be able to pull it up gently all the way across. Make sure your window's all the way open. And yeah, we're gonna pull it all the way out. Try not to break it. Once you get the track starting to come out, just take your screwdriver and pull it up as much as you can. And then gently pull on it as you slide the window back and forth. And it will start sliding out. There you go. We've removed that bottom track of that center glass now. It's all in one piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this with me in case I break the one on my truck I'm gonna put this glass into. Now we need to do the same thing with this top track to give ourselves enough room to get this thing out. There we go. It'll pry out pretty easily. And we're just going to work it out. Keep pulling it sideways towards the passenger side. And there you go. The top track has come out pretty easily. With the top track out, you can press this center glass up into a groove that's built into the frame of the windshield, and it will allow you to remove this center glass. There you go. That's it. It's out. All right, we've pretty easily managed to remove this rear center glass in this 02 F-150 here at the scrapyard. And we're gonna save ourselves quite a bit of money on this. So after I walk out of here, I'll let you know how much this costs. In case something happens to the tracks on the other truck I'm gonna install this in, if they break when I'm removing them, I've got the top track and the bottom track here. This is why I love coming to the scrapyard. I was able to get this OEM glass and the tracks for about 17 bucks. And on eBay, it was about 100 bucks for just the glass. So it's worth your time to go to your local scrapyard. You get to practice removing it and get yourself an OEM replacement part. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and here are a couple more videos that you might find useful.